Hi guys, welcome back to Step Up Lives. This video is part of the complete playlist of Amazon Leadership Principles. So if you're new, definitely check out the playlist and subscribe to this channel for all such content. Let's move on to the leadership principle for now. What are the most probable questions that are asked during this section and what you could answer as one of the most ideal ways I will try to guide you. Let's quickly get on to it. Have a backbone, disagree and commit. Now this is one important quality that Amazon is looking for in its employees, because a lot of times people do not stand for what they really believe. They do not have the right conviction strong to really back their point of views. It's very important that whenever you're looking for a disagreement or commitment to an idea, it may be uncomfortable but needs to be respectful. So whenever you are in such an environment, they are looking for people who would disagree or challenge a decision for the well-being of the organization. It's very important that you keep your ego away while you're disagreeing, you're putting your stuff in front. Your idea is always for the benefit of the organization. Let's quickly look at what are the questions asked and what are the things you should keep in mind while you try to answer it. First and foremost, tell me a situation where you had to step up and disagree with a team member. If your direct manager or instructor to do something you disagreed, how would you handle it? Tell me a time when you did not accept the status quo and changed it. Tell me an unpopular decision of yours and what do you think that you believe nobody else believes in. Such questions revolve around the fact how you handled this uncomfortable situation of a disagreement and a difference of hierarchy. Let's come to a question where we could put forth an idea with a difference of opinion of a team member. The best ideas would be to put the pros and cons of your proposal on the table. Also put yourself in the position of others, trying to understand how they are feeling about it and also giving the perspective how it is a good idea for the organization. We have to come to a conclusion with a disagreement that what is good for the organization, good for this project and good for our customers rather than what is good for us. It's not about the idea of your idea or my idea, it's about the idea that is better for the organization. And that's what is the point of view that you need to push in while you disagree. Another important aspect of disagreement and commitment would be a respectful disagreement or respectful difference of opinion. It's very important to disagree, but you should maintain a certain amount of respect while you are disagreeing with people, because that creates a psychological barrier and people won't understand you if you aren't respectful about others' ideas. And that's where comes the fact, respect others' ideas, pick the best out of their ideas, also present your own. And that's how you will be able to put that thought in the mind of the Amazon interviewer that you're someone who's empathetic, who's respectful and still has a backbone to keep his idea for the company. Companies, organizational requirements need to be paramount and that needs to be highlighted during this interview. If you like this content, if you like the idea how I presented these questions to you, put the like button on as well as share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel with the bell icon. Do not forget to check the playlist for the complete ideas of Amazon Leadership Principle interviews. Thank you so much and keep stepping up. Bye bye.